Welcome everyone. I am Dr. Bhargav Krishnanath, Assistant Professor in PESRSN College of Arts and Science, Farmagudi, Goa. I am taking this module in which problems on nuclear reactions will be solved. It is from chapter 4, that is nuclear reactions. The outline of this module is here we will be solving problems on the nuclear reaction chapter. So student will be able to solve problems or the theory which is taken in this particular chapter. Let us start with it. Here is a first problem. It states that one of the reaction which takes place when boron is bombarded with 1.510 mega electron volt deuteron is this, where it results into a barium nucleus. The alpha particle comes out at an angle of 90 degree with the direction of the deuteron with energy 6.37 mega electron volts. Find the Q value of the reaction, and what is given is mass of the boron nuclei, mass of the deuteron nuclei, mass of the alpha particle, and mass of the barium nucleus. Okay, so let us start with this. Now, for clarity, let us again write down the reaction. So here the deuteron is made incident onto this boron nucleus to give this nucleus and a alpha particle. So here our incident particle is this, target nucleus is this, and the product nuclei is this. Let us represent like this, and this is our product particle. Now, in our previous modules we have studied the Q value of a reaction can be written as Ex, that is the energy of the incident particle, into mx, mass of the incident particle, divided by mass of the product nuclei minus 1, plus Ey, that is the energy of the outgoing product particle, into mass of the product particle divided by mass of the product nuclei, plus 1 minus 2 times square root of mx vx into my, sorry, this is ex, mx ex into my ey cos of theta, where theta is the angle between the incident particle and the product nuclei. So here the incident particle is made incident on a target nucleus, so it will split up into a product nuclei and a product particle, that is y. Here what they have given is this angle is 90 degrees. Okay, so this is 90 degrees and this is also 90 degrees with the vertical, with the horizontal. So because of this angle theta, okay, this theta is here. This theta is 90 degree. When theta is 90 degree, cos term will go to, cos theta will go to 0, and we don't have to consider these things. So these things, that is the incident energy of the particle, mass of the incident particle, mass of the product nuclei, energy of the product particle, and the mass of the product particle is already given to us. So by substituting it to this, so this term is going to 0 because of cos 90. So what will remain is, let us substitute the values. Ex is the energy of the incident particle, that is the energy of the deuteron, that is this one. It will be 1.51 mega electron volts. Mass of this incident particle is given here, that is 2.0147361 divided by the mass of the product nuclei is this, that will be 9.015041 minus 1, plus Ey is the energy of the product particle, that is given it to be the energy of the alpha particle, which is 6.37 mega electron volts, and here this is the mass of the product particle, that is the mass of alpha particle, which is equal to 4.0038727 divided by the mass of the product nuclei, that is 9.015041 plus 1, and this term is going to 0. And if we evaluate these things numerically, it is going to be 8.0266 mega electron volt. So this is the answer. This is the Q value of this reaction. Let us go to the second problem. Here it is given to calculate or told to calculate a Q value of the reaction, which is this one. Lithium is bombarded with this proton, and it gives 2 alpha particles and some energy. What is given is the masses of these nuclei are given and the incident particle. So all the masses are given, and we have to calculate the Q value. Now Q value from masses can be calculated as the initial rest mass energy minus the final rest mass energy. So the initial rest mass energy can be written as, so initially we had this and this nuclei, and then the reaction made a product, that is this one. So initial rest mass is going to be mass of lithium plus mass of the proton, okay, into C is that into C square is that, minus the final particle is 2 times alpha particle to C square. Now all these masses are given in atomic mass units, and we know that 1 AMU atomic mass unit corresponds to 931 mega electron volts. Okay, that's why we can remove the C square sign here, and what we can just substitute these values, and into its place of C square we'll just write 931 mega electron volts. So this will be mass of lithium is 7.01816 plus mass of hydrogen is 1.007593 into 931 mega electron volts. Okay, so this C square, this is the rest mass energy. In terms of atomic mass units, we have converted it into this. This is the standard conversion, into 2 times mass of alpha particle is 4.0038727 atomic mass units, that is nothing but 931 mega electron volts. The numerical value of this would be equal to 16.7913 mega electron volts. Okay. These are my references. Thank you.